Hello everyone! Day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. We are just chugging along here, getting close to the end. I hope you guys have been having a blast playing along with me. If you're just tuning in, make sure to check out some of the previous videos for our 12 days of Christmas giveaway. You still have time to enter and you are totally capable of winning more than one giveaway. So make sure you enter into all of them. There are instructions on each video on how you're going to enter for that particular video. So make sure you watch through to find out how to enter. If you've been watching so far, I won't bore you letting you know what we've been giving away, but we've been giving away some awesome prizes like knives and gift cards and all sorts of cool stuff. Today, we're going to break the cycle a little bit. We've been giving away multiples of each knife or prize so far. Today, just because of stock levels, we are going to give away a single knife, and it's a big boy. This is coming to us from Moritaka. This is a 200. How many millimeters?
I think it's a
220, right?
220, yeah.
Yeah, I believe it's a 220. Maybe post-production Jake will have something to say about that. But for now, we're going to go with a 220 millimeter cleaver. Look at this thing. It's monstrous. Okay, yeah, so this guy is absolutely huge. This is a Chinese style cleaver, so it is not meant to go through bones. It is meant to be used as like a vegetable chopper. If you've ever seen any of those crazy videos of people using cleavers on YouTube before, it's absolutely insane what you can do with one of these guys. Not my first choice for a lot of tasks. But a cool knife. If you've got a big collection already, this would be a great addition, kind of like a little show piece. So anyways, this guy is made from Aogami No. 2 carbon steel and has an iron cladding with this beautiful kurouchi finish. The other name for the kurouchi finish is the bladesmith's finish. So that is your clue for today's giveaway. In order to win, you need to tell us what the kurouchi finish translates to. The answer that we will accept, among others, is the bladesmith finish. There are some other answers that you could give us, and we'll accept those if they are applicable. There you have it, guys. We're giving away one of these cleavers for today's giveaway, day number 9 of the 12 days of Christmas. So in addition to letting us know what kurouchi translates to, or another name for kurouchi, you are going to like this video and you're going to subscribe to our channel. I want to thank you again for our participating so far. If you haven't already, check out some of the previous 12 days of Christmas videos. You still have time to enter. And until the next video, stay sharp.